Hi, my name is Madeline Cole, and this is my submission for the Week 10 assignment. So first we started in Eclipse here on line 24 in our projects app.java, where we added the list projects and select a project along with the corresponding cases to the switch method. So here we have case 2 and case 3. And down here on line 86, Eclipse created our list projects method where we called the fetch all projects variable. And next, we went to the project service file, and Eclipse created the fetch all projects method in this class, where we started to work on our next task. So here on line 16, we called our fetch all projects method on our project DAO object and had Eclipse create the fetch all projects method in the projects DAO file. Here on line 68, fetch all projects. And next in the project DAO, we wrote the code to be able to retrieve all the projects from the database. So here is all of that code, where we wrote the SQL statement to return all projects and our try with resource statements to obtain the connection object. And we also caught the SQL exception in these catch blocks, and we rethrew a new DB exception. And down here on lines 95 about to 125 are our other try with statements, and where we also looped through the result set. So let's just go ahead and run a little bit of the projects app to start with. All right, so we'll go ahead and do 3, select a project. And we can see that the app returns a list of projects that I have created. So back in our projects app, starting at line 80, we added an instance variable of type project named cur project and created the select project method here on line 76 that lists the project IDs and names so that the user can select a project ID. We also created the fetch project by ID here on line 82. And this method will throw a no such element exception if an invalid project ID is entered. So we're going to go ahead and show that by entering the number 99. Let me pull this up some more, and we can see the exception is thrown, and it prints out project with project ID 99 does not exist. Try again. So we'll go back, or we'll move over now to the project service file, where we created the fetch project by ID. Here on line 20, this method will return a project object and take an integer project ID as a parameter. So I'm going to stop this and clear it out so we can run it new. Before we were able to run it, though, we had to connect to the project schema in DBeaver and also go into MySQL to write this code over here. So back in Eclipse, let's go ahead and run the projects app again. Go ahead and enter number 3 again. Here are our projects, and I'm going to enter number 1. We're going to hang a door. So here it says what project we're working with, the name, estimated hours, actual hours, difficulty, the notes we had put in the last week's assignment, and materials, steps, and categories. So the reason why Eclipse printed out the 2-inch screws and this specific task right here is because of what I did in MySQL. Down here, we have the join table. It contains 2 foreign keys. One foreign key will point to the project row, and the other one points to the category row. So the project ID is 1 and the category ID is 2. That's why it's printing out these specific statements. So that's all I have for this week. Thank you.